Okay. This is what coming out of the, it comes with the little case, with a little baggie. Okay. Zip case. Okay. Okay, that's what it looks like. So this is the first thing I'm taking out. The remote, okay. And I don't know what all of these things are, but I'll put it on the screen what it is. And this, and then here's the drone. Okay. I can't wait to test this out and see what it's gonna look like, all of that. So this is what it looks like here. It's small, it's about the size of the palm of my hand, and I have a pretty small hand, so I should say petite. So this is what it looks like. So yeah, and you can see right here, here is where the camera is, here in the front. So I look forward to showing you guys what it's gonna look like, how it goes. So I'm gonna do a test run and all of those things. So stay tuned for that in the future. And it is also these items in here as well. Charger cord. And I don't know what these things are, but got a little, oh, this is to open the back of the drone. And we have these pieces, I guess, that goes on the drone. I'm gonna have to look at some instructions, but all of these came with it, and I guess this is an extra propeller blade. Yeah. And another one, so it came with 2 extra sets of the propeller blades with all of these other things that I'm gonna figure it out, and after I figure it out, I'm gonna come back. And then looking at the back, I see it needs 3 AA batteries to go in here. So I'm gonna put 3 AA batteries in here, and then we'll test it out and see what happens next. Thank you so much to whoever gifted me this drone, and is in the comment section below. Thank you so much. This has been an unboxing of my Amazon wish list item, a drone. Thank you so much to whoever gifted it, and to anybody who's interested, you can choose to gift. The link will be in the comment section below. Thank you so much, and get ready to see some amazing vlogs coming up as soon as I figure out how to use it. Thank you so much, guys.